Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We got a hot water pipe with 8 centimeters in outer diameter. The length is 19 meters. The surface temperature is 81 degrees Celsius. The air temperature is 6 degrees Celsius. We got a heat transfer coefficient of 25 watts per meter squared per degree Celsius. Find the total heat transfer rate in kilowatts. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. 19 meter pipe, 8 centimeter diameter, and that's 81 degrees Celsius. Apologies, that's a typo. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So we want to find the heat transfer rate for convection. Okay, step 3, find the convection heat transfer rate formula. So that is capital Q dot is equal to H multiplied by A multiplied by delta T. So we're going to expand delta T. They give us the coefficient, they give us the temperatures. We have to work out the area, but they give us the diameter and they give us the length. So step 4, find the area formula. So pi multiplied by diameter multiplied by length. Step 5, plug and play. So you'll get 4.7752 meters squared. Step 6, we backtrack and then plug in our values. So everything is given in the question and we just worked out the area in step 5. So we'll get 8,953.5 watts and they want it in kilowatts, so it's 8.95 kilowatts. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on the video option, click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.